Let's start exercise.
1,
2, 3. Squats.
1,
2, 3. Lunges.
1,
2, 3. Burpees.
1,
2, 3. Jumping jacks.
1,
2, 3. Deadlifts.
1,
2, 3. Pull-ups.
1,
2, 3. Bicycle crunches. Punches.
Bye.